At Executium, we are committed to providing you with a quality support experience. We want you to understand how to use our system so that you can enjoy the benefits of Executium. For better service and convenience to our users worldwide, we provide 24-hour support. Only support requests made through the official Executium website are accepted. We currently do not accept phone calls, emails, or inquiries made through our social media pages. Contacting support is easy with Executium. To get started, click on the support link found in the main menu. Next, click on the New Ticket button and select the message category. After that, you can start composing your message to support. Try to make your initial message as detailed as possible so that we can provide you with a fast and accurate answer. Multiple correspondences may result in a delayed response from our support team. Although the Executium support team is always happy to help, we encourage you to also check our frequently asked questions page. Thank you for trusting the Executium support team to answer your questions. Join Executium and start trading today, only at Executium.com.